Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you how to add your animated name project to the studio called Tutorials. Once you're logged into Scratch, you can do it one of two ways. You can come over here to where your profile name is and click on it, and you can go to either My Stuff or My Class. I'm going to click on My Class for now. And you can come down here to the tutorial studio. And then you can click on Add Projects. And when you do that, your project should pop up down below here. You can click on it and it will add it to our class. Now the other way you can do it is by going to My Stuff. So we'll take a look at that. And when you open your stuff, you can see your projects, and then you have an Add To option over here where you can click on Add To, and then you can see the tutorials option right here. And so those are the two different ways that you can add your project to the studio. Please make sure that you add it to the studio so that I can see it. If you have any questions, obviously give me an email or a comment in Google Classroom. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your animated names.